Okay, hi. Today I'm experimenting on Python, doing a bit more, doing the basics. The other day I showed how to import the browser and how you could open a website using Python. And there it is. So you'd file, new file, and that's how you get a new sort of file space here. It's just easier this way. So the left side becomes the module, or whatever side, but on this you can see, and you can see that I've experimented with before. Restart. Okay, I done it the other day showing import browser, which is at the top, import browser, and web browser.open, and my site. I've just done this now, so I've got my 4 sites on. So it's the same line, web browser.open, and then the site. So here it is. So you have to run. You've got to save as I already have. I'm going to run now, run module, and over here, and you can see that it's starting. That becomes the module. So 4 sites should open. 4 sites should open and run automatically using Python, and there they are. So there was the first one on the left to the last one on the list. So that could be very handy. That's turned into something. That's because I've got pop ads. That's because I've got like pop unders on the site. There's another site. I mean, that could come in particularly handy if you had several sites you want to see straight away. You could use the same script, which I probably will use. Okay, so let's go back to script. So there it is, import web browser, and then all the sites in run, and I like to run it in a module. You could probably run it that side. It's just easier to see the code in its own file space.